Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to export data from one cell to another in Excel. This is a very basic thing that you need to know to do pretty much anything with Excel. I have one cell that has text in it, and the text is just the word text, and I have another cell that has a number in it, because those are the two main types of data that you deal with in Excel. What you do, if let's say we want to take this text and we want to move it, we want to have this text always appear also in this cell over here. What you do is you want to enter in what's called a formula. And to do a formula, you click on the cell and then you type an equal sign, and as soon as you do that, you can see that the formula is starting to appear up here in what's called the formula bar. And then we just click on cell A2. And you can see the formula bar has A2 entered. Now, you could also just manually type in A2, and it would do the same thing. It doesn't matter whether it's an upper or lowercase a. As long as you have a letter and a number in the right format, it knows that it's a cell. And then we type a return, and sure enough, what we had in A2 now appears in E2. So let's go back here and let's type something different in cell A2. So we'll type something different. And sure enough, over in cell E2, the same text appears. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted. Today I showed you how to export data from one cell to another in Excel. Thanks for watching.